And then you can just freely move it and adjust it para hindi siya ganun ka-crowded, okay? Tapos you can also add some ano din, parang level of support in this part, inquiries or something. Visit, parang you want them to visit this site or visit this ano, this link, ganun. Visit our sites below or something. Basta yun. Parang ganun. Parang something like this, okay? Ayan, pwede naman yan. Para lang meron siyang ano, para hindi siya parang nagmukhang random na meron tayong Rocket PH and YouTube link. Much better also if you can also add more. Ayan, dito kung meron kang pwedeng idagdag, pwede naman. YouTube or may iba ka pa bang shops, parang ganun. So, ayan, much better if at least nasa tatlong links yung nakalagay dito sa baba. And then for this one, let's say you're selling bundles. Let's say aside sa coloring pages, meron kang flashcards. So, ibahin mo lang siya, tapos ibahin mo lang din yung link, ganun. So, ayan siya. It keeps your file organized, okay? This is really the importance of having a thank you page. Para pagpunta ng customer mo, alam na nila agad kung saan hahanapin. Yung coloring pages mo, yung flashcards mo, ganun. And also, pwede ka rin maglagay ng license if ever you want to specify na, let's say, personal use only lang yung ano mo, yung files mo. You can also specify here license. Okay. And then attach your license on that button. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial.